joking. Now we are in our workshop to help you use the air compressor to cutting this metal sheet. Just now we have finished this metal sheet cutting. This is the surface. If we use the air cutting, the surface is like this. So let's give you some. If we use the oxygen cutting, the surface will more better. You should consider you can accept this surface or no. Now let's tell you how to use air compressor to make this carbon steel cutting. This is air compressor. The collector with this piper. On the machine, we have two piper. One is for the nitrogen. This air compressor collected with the nitrogen piper. We have a black mark. Just to collect the nitrogen is okay. Another piper is oxygen. So, such as for this metal thickness is 2 mm. So now we will show you the air cutting for 2 mm, the whole process for you. Let's check. Now we will cut in 2 mm carbon steel. For 2 mm carbon steel, the speed is like this. Now we use 3000 kilowatt cutting. 2 mm. Okay. We use 3 kilowatt laser to cutting the 2 mm carbon steel. You use your 2000 kilowatt laser. You can cutting this 2 mm carbon steel in 6 meters per minute speed. Please consider the speed and cutting result. Use the air cutting. Okay.